everyone. I am Swasti Sharma, a student of class 11 from Darbari Model School, Pitampura. And today I am presenting before you my project Gynora, a smart AI-powered hormonal health platform designed to help young women detect early signs of PCOS, track their hormone patterns, and receive personalized support. All through a simple mobile application paired with an intelligent home testing smart kit. Polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS is one of the most common hormonal conditions affecting young women today. It shows up as irregular periods, acne, weight gain, fatigue, mood swings,